Guys, I'm Sunny and welcome back to another episode of Sunny's Effin' Delicious. With Christmas only around the corner, I figured I should try out some chocolate truffle recipes. I'm not huge on sweets, but I do love a truffle with my coffee on Christmas morning. The most popular truffle recipe online is by a channel called Nino's Home. His 2-ingredient recipe has a massive 29 million views to date, and with that many views, surely his truffle recipe is something special. Or is it? Let's see. The first of Nino's 2 ingredients is 240 grams of condensed milk. You know that stuff you get in a can? Well, pour that into a saucepan and bring it to a gentle simmer. As soon as you see small bubbles appear on the edges, immediately remove from the heat and pour your mixture into a bowl. Then start to sieve in 100 grams of cocoa powder. Sieve about 3/4 of the cocoa powder into your bowl before giving this a good mix. This will require some serious elbow grease as the mixture gets super thick and almost cement-like. Add in the rest of the cocoa powder and continue to mix before lining a baking sheet with some plastic wrap. Then pour the thick chocolate mixture into the tray the best you can. It's super thick, so this might take a minute or two. Spread the mixture onto the sheet and try to get it as evenly coated around the pan as possible. We want it to be one single even layer. Seal with the plastic wrap and use the palm of your hands to press it into shape. Perfect. Place this into the fridge for about 2 hours to firm up. Right, 2 hours later, let's check it out. This reminds me of something from my college days, but we won't go into that. Anyway, dust this with some more cocoa powder and slice it up. This is easier said than done as it's just so sticky. I eventually figured out the best way to do it is to slice and then pull the chocolate strip away. It's almost like bubblegum. Once you have your chocolate sliced in half, dampen your hands with some cold water and start to mold your truffles. Okay, this first one actually looks pretty decent. Place these onto your serving board. I'm trying to create a snowflake. It didn't quite turn out how I imagined, but it will do. Finally, let's dust this with some more cocoa powder, and then because it's Christmas, let's add some snow by dusting over some icing sugar. Well, they certainly look like Christmas truffles, but let's see how they taste. Not great, I'm afraid. The condensed milk is nice and sweet, and the first bite kind of tricked me into believing that this was a truffle, but the texture was just so gooey and sticky, and after that second bite, I'd had enough. I don't understand this recipe because real chocolate truffles are just so easy to make using just chocolate and cream. I left these for my family to try. Unfortunately, nobody ate them, and the following morning they ended up in the bin. What a shame. Guys, I hope this recipe review was helpful to you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another effing delicious recipe.